What if you were confident in your money? What if your husband and you agreed on all your money and finances and never argued about it? What if you had a plan for building wealth and you were set for retirement and had lots of money in savings? And you were able to give to charities, pass a legacy on to your children, and do what you wanted to do in life. Wouldn't that be amazing? Hi, I'm Stacy Swanson. I'm with Wealth and Women, and with over 30 years of banking, budgeting, and accounting experience, I can help you do just that. I have been where you are, the single mom, the stay-at-home mom, someone who felt uneducated and unable to talk about their finances. I took the time to learn these concepts, train myself, ask questions, and now I'm able to help women just like you overcome and their overwhelm and take care of their finances. So one thing that is preventing you from building wealth is debt. So now, to explain how debt is a roadblock to your wealth, let's think about why you go to work. You get a job, you go to work 40 hours a week, 50, maybe 60. You're doing that instead of being with your family, enjoying hobbies, enjoying the outdoors, traveling, sleeping. And what do you do all of that for? To get a paycheck. So when that paycheck automatically comes into your bank account, maybe it's once a week, every other week, twice a month, once a month, you need to do something with that money. And so, first of all, we want to pay our bills and our debt because those are things that we have to pay first. So I've listed some debt there, say credit cards, you might have a car loan or two, student loan, parent loan, maybe a personal loan. And let's use this person as an example. Their debt adds up to $78,523. That's the total that they owe. And every month they're making a payment of $1,382. So if they keep making the minimum payments every month for 8 years, they will have the debt paid off, but they will have also incurred $36,522 in interest over that time. And that brings the total of debt paid to $130,267. So you can see, even if you think, well, $78,000 isn't much to pay off, that's really not how much it's going to cost you, because the cost of using debt to buy things is, in this case, $36,522 and 8 years. So if we took that same amount of $1,382 and we paid that into an investment or a savings account or some kind of wealth building product and earned 4% interest, so that is compounding, which means it builds on top of itself every year, and we invested that every month for 8 years, the same length of time it took to pay off the debt, we would have $152,808. And you can see that's a really cool number, a really amazing way that your wealth grows and builds on top of itself. And the gain between the two sides is $283,000, because on the left you're losing $130,000. So if you gained that back plus the $152,000, you would have $283,000. And this is the way that debt is taking away and blocking you from building wealth. Once you have debt paid off, you can, and that money comes into your bank account, you can pay it towards savings, towards building wealth, or for a vacation or whatever fun. And the key here is to not incur more debt. So now that we showed how debt takes away from building your wealth, one thing to remember is don't incur more debt while you're paying off your debt. You really want to get on a plan where you are never taking on debt again. So it's really important, first of all, to have an emergency savings fund, at least $1,000, but 2 would be better. And that way, if an emergency comes up, you're not using your credit cards to pay for the emergency and incurring more debt. Secondly, you want to track your money and create a budget so you know how much extra money you can put towards your debt, because paying the minimum is not going to get you debt free. It's going to take a lot longer and cost you more money. So if you can afford even $100 or $200 a month to put towards your debt, that would make a tremendous help. And then if you receive a bonus, an inheritance, a tax return, a stimulus check, put that towards your debt as well. You can also take on extra jobs so that you can increase your income and then put that money towards your debt. All of this helps pay off your debt faster, save you money and interest, and then help you start building that wealth and savings and investment so you can earn more money. If you are interested in learning more about taking care of your money, managing it, paying off your debt, creating a plan to build wealth, or just understanding money concepts, I help women do this, and I would love to help you. You can click the link below and schedule a time to talk to me personally, where I can look over your finances, talk to you about what you're having issues with, and provide real strategies and real solutions. Ladies, manage your money. Don't let someone else manage it for you.